I'm Carrie Craig. I'm the Director of Business Enterprise Systems for WD-40 Company. We actually are going through a digital transformation to replace our ERP system. And with that, we wanted to increase our capabilities around AP automation with advanced OCR capabilities and our supplier management. So we looked at a few products, and Medius stood out amongst them as one of the top performers. Their customer service was above and beyond anything we at WD-40 need. It's a great product, they have great products, and they have great people behind those products. So I would recommend that you would look at Medius for those advanced capabilities if you need assistance or need any type of drive to get your digital transformation moving forward. Because if you rest, you rust. That's what we say at WD-40.